Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro, and now I can show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. Firstly, you need to press and hold together power button and volume up button. Then click power off, and wait until device disabled. Then press and hold together power button and volume down buttons. Then release power button when Realme logo will appear on your screen, and wait and still hold volume down. Cool! Now we are in recovery mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.